Welcome back to the course. The last lecture we covered on what is Oracle Apex architecture, and now we'll jump onto the structure of Oracle Apex. So Oracle Apex consists of a work area called workspace, and when a user creates a workspace, he or she became the administrator, so that administrator maps the database through database schema. So by default, when you're creating a workspace, one database schema is matched, and later on the administrator can make requests and add multiple schemas to the workspace. Also, the administrator can add multiple users to the workspace as well. So the privileges and the access parts, everything are controlled by administrators. So this covers the administration part. Now coming to the design part, a workspace can be divided into applications, and each application can be divided into various pages. A page can be represented as a web page. So all these things are interlinked to one component called shared components. So the shared components include security, plugins, themes, templates, and various list of values that can be added to this as a common feature. So this gives a brief overview of what is Oracle Apex structure, and this flowchart will be very useful for you, and you'll be able to connect easily once you are done with the practical part of Oracle Apex.